Well, as of right now, 5:45-ish, something like that. It's not raining anymore, and we stayed dry all night long, which is the important thing. But we've got a long day coming up, and hopefully we don't have to walk through the rain. But if we have to, we have to. Isn't that right, Megan? Because today we're doing how many miles? 24 at least. That's the minimum, 24. Wow, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful morning. I don't think there's much in the way of smoke in the air, but there is a lot of moisture from the rain last night. Overall, I'll say that's a good thing, because maybe it put out all the fires. Certainly hope so. It rained off and on all night long. Almost to the top of this little mountain here. Tinker Knob. What a view. Yeah, kind of glad we didn't come up here last night when all the lightning was happening. But yeah, it definitely looks like it's going to rain again. We've gotten a few drops. This is Tinker Knob right here. Basically the high point, give or take 5 or 10 feet. And it's a beautiful view. Wish I could say the same about the day, but you know, pretty gray. But honestly, it's not a bad thing. We need more rain. Man, it's beautiful. Love me some ridge walking. As long as there's no lightning. That's smoke or just fog? It kind of looks like fog. Could be smoke though, I don't know. Apparently the Dixie fire is still going pretty strong. Yeah, I had some service. I think we already passed it. I don't think it exists anymore. I think it all melted away. How's that weird rock? Very strange how it got like that.
That reminds me of something you'd find underwater.
Yeah. It's beautiful though, this whole area.
Look at all the ferret.
Alright, let's continue on. Me and Megan determined that we love the shades and colors of all those trees down there. Isn't that right, Megs?
It's like a box.
Oh, man, maybe it's a hiker box and go check it out. An empty box. It's a strange box over there by that tree. Right here. No. Go check it out if you want. It's pretty close. Very interesting. Pause the video and read this. This is very interesting. This is Roller Pass. And they would literally drag wagons one at a time up that cliff over there. We went over and looked at it. It was pretty crazy. This drawing is not an exaggeration. Huh. We're very close to Donner Pass right now, so...
Double teams of oxen pull wagons up with chains 400 feet long straight up to the pass. That is crazy.
That's kind of funny. And apparently 30% of the immigrants to California took this pass and sent their wagons straight up the mountain. That's pretty cool.
Wild.
All right, let's continue on.
Civilization?
Welcome to Donner Pass. Donner Party died here. Well, some of them did.
I wonder if they serve human at these restaurants.
I don't know. It's a good question. There's a highway here now. A lot of cars. Ooh, we can go read about the Donner Party. I'm sure it's on those signs.
Probably. Grinding rocks on Donner.
Should read the sign. You can pause it if you'd like. We'll start up top.
We haven't seen any of these. Petroglyphs.
We have seen the grinding rocks. Excuse me.
Look, we saw this.
Yeah?
Look, guys, we showed you the sign up top.
Very nice.
After the first wagon trains reached California, immigrants continued to move past Gold Rush. About 28% of all wagons heading to California used one of the Donner passes.
Huh. Very nice,
What
very
does that
nice.
say? Can you believe this? I know.
Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. How do you feel about your free beer?
Oh, I thought you were saying machine. I'm excited. Ready?
Oh, glorious.
Probably one of my favorite aspects of hiking, backpacking at least, is hitchhiking. Because the people you meet, how nice everyone is, and how much everyone's willing to give you just a little bit of help, you know? A little bit of help from point A to point B.
I wonder what's going on with this road though.
Okay.